Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can fix a slide bug with Windows 10, which some people have experienced where they did install the firmware update and for some reason I got no sound and clicking on the volume icon. You check the slider, make sure that the speakers mute, but everything looks fine, but there is just no sound coming from your PC or laptop. Well, this is a problem, and I'm going to show you how to fix it now. And just first thing you need to do is to get device manager, because we are going to uninstall our sound card or sound drivers. So go to device manager, and several ways you can do that. Can we right click button and choose properties, or you can just easily type device manager into Cortana and go to update device drivers, and that will take you to device manager. Alternatively, click on notification icon and go to on settings and do the same thing, just do a search for device manager, and that will take you straight to do it. If you don't want to mess around, or of course there is a long way of fashion way, you do to the control panel and got a system, and then click on device manager. So however way you want to do it, and get into device manager and look down the list of hardware, and you are looking for sound, video and game controllers. Now I have got two controllers in there, and they look on right. There is no warning sign, there is a problem, and if I just could check the properties working perfectly, it's safe but it's not. I'm going to just right click and uninstall, and I'm going to uninstall both of those, which I recommend you to do, and then just reboot Windows, and when it comes back to life it will reinstall your sound hardware, hopefully with the correct drivers, and that may well solve the problem. But if you do that and you have still got no sound, then there is something other settings that we just need to check as well. Now either one of these or combination or own fix your problem, so click on the volume icon and go to playback device, and we are looking for here. Now you might search in there, might have several line ID looking for this one speaker, which should be set as default. And if we select our speaker and then go to properties, what we want to do is go to the enhancement tab and just make sure there is a tick in disable on enhancements, put a tick in there and apply that, and then just test to see if you are getting any sound. Now some people this is fixed and the problem at this point and everything is good, so just check to see are you getting any sound. If you have not, then we need to come up to this next step, the advancement tab, and look at our default sample rate, and we are going to change that from 16-bit to something else, something high, cut of 24-bit. I just check that apply test, the sound, you getting sound. Now if you are solar problem, if not, then we need to just come into the configuration, our speaker setup configuration. There is, depending on how hardware, you might have something different here, but really we just want to go and select our speaker setup and click on the next button, and we are looking for this full range speaker setting, front and left and right, put a tick in there, click finish test. The sound, hopefully you have got the sound back now, and this is what majority of people on this changing setting as you now have the sounding back working perfectly. So thank you for watching.